Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Because of the high voltage and high current used by microwave ovens, be aware that repairing this appliance poses a substantial risk for injury or death if precautions are not taken. You should always unplug the microwave before you attempt any disassembly. Since high-voltage capacitors used in microwaves may retain a charge even after the microwave has been unplugged, we recommend that only experienced professionals access and replace internal components. To replace the door latch spring in this Frigidaire microwave oven, you will need a T15 tamper-proof Torx bit, a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, a putty knife, and needle nose pliers. Unthread the 6 rear screws securing the cover using the T15 tamper-proof Torx bit. Unthread the screw on the right side of the cover as well. Pull the rear sides of the cover out, then lift the cover up and pull back to fully remove. You should release the potentially stored electrical charge in the capacitor to avoid injury. You can do this by placing needle nose pliers with an insulated handle across each set of terminals. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws securing the upper door hinge. With the screws unthreaded, open the door and lift the door assembly off the lower hinge. Set the door on its front on a towel or blanket. Use the putty knife and the small flathead screwdriver to release the retaining clips securing the inner panel trim. You will need to work your way around the inside edge to fully detach the trim. Next, use the putty knife and small flathead screwdriver to release the retaining tabs on the outer door panel, securing the inner panel. Fully separate the inner door panel from the outer panel. Use the needle nose pliers to detach the door latch spring from the inner panel, if still intact, and remove the old spring. To install the new door latch spring, hook one end onto the tab on the door latch. Then attach the opposite end to the tab on the inner panel. Make sure the upper hinge is positioned on the inner panel. Then align the panel in the outer panel and snap it into place. Properly realign the trim and snap the trim into position. Reinstall the door by aligning the bottom of the door on the lower hinge pin. Align the upper hinge on the frame. Then thread the 2 screws to secure the upper hinge. Reinstall the microwave oven cover by first aligning the top edge, then the sides. Thread and tighten the 7 screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.